In this video, I will show you how to create a Roblox account. If this video was useful, consider leaving the like and subscribe for more amazing content. And now let's get into this video. On a search bar, type on roblox.com and then hit enter. And then it will take you to this page. And now fill up these details. Once you're done, just simply go ahead and click on Sign Up. And now your Roblox account has successfully been created. And now if you go into your profile, you can actually see your name, avatar, and so much more. And that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.